Taj Catering can now resume operations after meeting standards spelt out by the Singapore Food Agency. Its license was suspended last month after authorities discovered hygiene lapses like rodent droppings.
7 people fell ill from consuming its food, including one who was hospitalized. The Singapore Food Agency says Taj Catering disposed of all ready-to-eat, thawed and perishable food items and cleaned and sanitized its premises.
It also submitted plans to control rodents and ensure that staff practice good food hygiene. Food handlers also re-attended a basic food hygiene course.
The Singapore Food Agency says it will be taking enforcement action against Taj Catering for the lapses found, and it will continue to closely monitor the caterer to ensure it adheres to the plans submitted.